You invested $9,000 in two funds paying 6% and 7% annual interest, respectively. At the end of the year, the total interest from these investments was $610. How much was invested at each rate? We want to use the 4 steps to set up our system of equations. And so the first step would be to label our variables. So we could say x is the amount at 6%, y is the amount at 7% that we invest. Step 2 is to write our system of equations. Well, we know x is the amount that is invested at 6%, so 0.06 times x, plus y, the amount invested at 7%, so 0.07 of y, should equal the total amount of interest, which was $610. We also know that the total of the two investments should equal $9,000. So what we can do at this point then is solve these equations by, let's say I take this second equation here and solve for y. I would have y equals 9,000 minus x. And I could substitute that in step 3 to the original equation so that I have 0.06x plus 0.07 times my 9,000 minus x should equal 610. So from here I'd have 0.06x plus 0.07 times 9,000 is 630 minus 0.07x should equal 610. 0.06 minus 0.07 is a negative 0.01x, and subtracting 630 from each side gives me negative 20 to get my x terms combined on the left and my constant terms on the right. Dividing both sides, I get x equals 2,000. So that's the amount invested at 6%. Going back to my second equation, I had y equals 9,000, so it would be minus 2,000 to be 7,000. That means 7,000 is invested at 7%.